So, you know, we didn't have refrigerators, so we just had what they called ice boxes. It was a big box, and we used to put ice in it to keep everything cold. And in the summer, I remember getting ice from my grandmas and grandpas. They used to give me a rope, and I used to go to what every area had what they called a dry dock, where they used to keep big blocks of ice. And I remember going to the dry dock, and for a quarter or 50 cents, they would chop some ice for you. And you would tie it with this string and pull it through the streets to your house. And if it was hot in the summer, by the time you brought this 50-cent piece of ice home, it was no longer a 50-cent piece of ice because it had melted quite a bit. But whatever it was, we took it, brought it upstairs, and put it in the ice box to keep the food cool for about a week or two. And the ice always used to drip through the bottom of the ice box where we had a little pan which filled up with water, which we got rid of every now and then. And that's how we cooled our food.